Hey everyone, welcome to the Expensive Cars. I've noticed that many of you watch my videos but haven't subscribed yet. So, if you love luxury and classic cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now, let's dive into today's masterpiece, the Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. The Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham is a true icon of American luxury. Manufactured between the 1950s and 1990s, this full-size luxury sedan defined elegance, comfort, and prestige. Let's explore what makes this classic a collector's dream. From the first glance, the Fleetwood Brougham commands attention. Its long, sleek body, signature chrome grille, and elegant hood ornament reflect Cadillac's legacy of premium craftsmanship. The sharp, squared-off lines of the 1980s models, along with the iconic vinyl roof and wire spoke wheels, give it an unmistakable presence on the road. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of opulence and comfort. The interior features handcrafted wood trims, plush leather seats, and a spacious cabin designed for ultimate relaxation. The Fleetwood Brougham was built for those who valued luxury above all else, offering amenities like automatic climate control, soft closed doors, and power-adjustable seats, features that were ahead of their time. Under the hood, the Fleetwood Brougham came with various V8 engine options, ensuring a smooth and effortless driving experience. Some models were equipped with a 7.0L V8, delivering the power expected from a high-end American luxury sedan. The rear-wheel drive system and soft suspension made for an incredibly comfortable ride, perfect for long-distance cruising. The Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham wasn't just a car, it was a status symbol. It was the preferred choice for celebrities, politicians, and business elites. Today, well-maintained models are highly sought after by classic car enthusiasts, with pristine examples fetching impressive prices at auctions. The Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham remains a symbol of timeless American luxury, blending style, comfort, and prestige like no other. What are your thoughts on this classic masterpiece? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, if you love luxury cars, subscribe to the Expensive Cars, like this video, and turn on notifications for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.